When I hear this audio from one of a commander for the other movement them, we need to take care of these forces. They need to provide weapons for these forces. But they claim say they get forces for ground. When I hear SSF, Ambazonia, when I hear, because a shift it take place for ground zero. Fighters they become more wise. When I listen.
Mami and Papa, they on a good morning. Now was the talk. I come today to greet all Una, to tell Una, say all we will vex. Me in particular, the vex. Yes, because this house, I don't know what an alarm public or Ambazonia and picking them. Ambazonia, Mami and Papa them. I'm picking them. So the thing just vex me. All since I did for the house, and whenever hear some man talk, say, okay, this year, how we go do? See, 2021 we don't enter. Suppose the try, how we go see. Well, I even believe, say, I'll be here, I even think I go here, people will say, more even try, we they put in America, they will say, more even try, buy things, give boys. But I never even hear anything. Our problem for this life, not in a chop, because now we will die every day. Now, they America, now they will not find.
Una the year? Now one of their commander than this. It cry. Small time, the only thing that's small money send for them. They only send a small money. Now commanders is a cry. Big brother Yerima, now commanders and this they cry. Now commanders and this they cry. Why? Why?
Beef, drive better car, live for better AC. The picking they die every day. If you know die so now I see now I no go ever know. I want to say now so I go know say hey, you want die for side, you want do now. Or probably no be chop for this life, Mommy them Papa them I beg.
Big brother Yerima, commanders they tell you say their problem not enough for you for send and chop. They want weapons. They cry. 4 years. 4. For a war of independence. After 4 years. Wait till you feel prove them to the Ambazonian people. When they face a war. Say you did do them for liberate their homeland. After 4 years, how many guns you don't put them for ground? Forgive the people they may defend themselves and protect what people then. How many? After 4 years. How many forces you don't train them after 4 years? But I be leader. I stand for Ambazonia. Paul Biya launch Nations Cup for Ambazonia. Now commander daddy cry. When I not begin any plan for do anything. The only plan I for call for lockdown. Now no one plan that. You call for lockdown. Now you plan that. Now commander this is cry. Just for say I get forces. Once in a while, it takes more money when I send them for them. Weapons I need buy them. Now commander did the cry publicly.
This. Yes, we know so now the help when I don't try, when I do them. Yes, but when I try and I say put on. Boys they die every day without no good weapon. Our problem is not weapon them. Our problem is weapon. Now the one make struggle go ahead, but no good weapon because you don't get them. How the struggle will go? No bullet, no money for even chop better jobs. Then now the one make the struggle go ahead. Now who the one push the struggle go ahead? Who they not get?
Big brother Yeri my dear. Now your commanders and this way the call so you get soldier them. Now then this is the cry. They dey cry for Ambazonia. They dey cry. They dey cry. Why? Why? Why would they do these things for our people then? Why would they treat our picking them this way? Why would they treat our brothers them this way? And when they claim say wanna be leaders. Worst of all, when they claim say wanna be a government. That's the funniest thing that 4 years after, you know if you call gone. 4 years. Shame not even day. For make flyer with your own picture. You call and say big rubber gun. Now wait till be big rubber gun. For person we want to go fight war. What is big rubber gun? For man we want to liberate a people. What is big rubber gun? Shame need to do now. For continuous deception. For continuous manipulation. Shame not there for una. Shame not there. Shame ni do na. See the thousands where they suffer for as refugees for Nigeria. More than 700,000 they there for bush. Shame not there for una. Shame not there. And una go gather on yourself for small forum then. Every day, say come my president, say come my president, say come my president. Na soldier then that they cry. We not deny mo na no cause say come my una president. E no go liberate Ambazonia. Na soldier then is a tell una. 4 years. Una don't sing and we don't liberate Ambazonia. Step 1. Man give una the same advice I give una 2 years ago. Same advice Capo give una 2 years ago. Yerima, step 1. Choose a general for down. Tell the Ambazonia people say, my general this. Hear me fine. Self-defense. Not be something we do for back. If you not like war, pack. If you the fear, make it well. It not catch you, put you for prison. Say you go fight war. Come out. Tell Siseko, say Siseko, this one pass me. I not fit do one. It not there for my blood. Come out. Not be by force. Come out. Make another person can't help that organization. Come out. If you the fear for put your hand for guns and bullet and put your face outside, say I stand for my people. Come out. What people did die. But make another person come down. We go help all these soldiers the way they talk say they want fight under una. If you know if you do and come out. Say big rubber gun. 4 years after. Shame no day you for put your picture of outside. You see the launch operation big rubber gun. Wait till be big rubber gun, Yerima. Wait till be big rubber gun. After 4 years, we probably had to kill our people then. You know if you call gun. You know if you call RPG. You know if you call machine gun. You the fear. You the fear. If you the fear for call gun, what to make you a leader? You not be fit for lead a movement. I be sorry for tell you this one, but the pain be too much. I be sorry for use this kind of language. The pain be too much for our people there. Commanders, they suffer. See, if you not get the heart for do this work, come out. Make another person come in. It be okay. For save that organization. For save, which is to say, could start and for una. For save them. And do what if you do them for the Ambazonian people them. If we move forward, imagine if IGK be stand strong small. And they put more money to for ground. And when I know soldier, the way they get them. You see how if we collaborate, but all these small things they go do them for back. You go take one stick, you go get for here. For gain loyalty. You take one stick, when I send these small people them, they put small forum them, and then they go raise money, they take one stick, they put them for here. They take one stick, they put them for here. When I take one stick, they put them for here. Enough to liberate any man. Enough to liberate. Now, man, you that the place where it's supposed to be now the hottest place for Amazonia. The place where CC could come out. Not up to 10 AK when I don't put them for down there. Not up to 10 AK when I don't put them for down there. I know them. Now shame. Now shame. That's why now soldiers they cry.
Manamo Bamata Te kerasine te na orangu Te ba kerasine te wangu Mbagir wumne mbatuzi burka were mbanyat Mbagir chuba mina borabot Menamo Sasa no menyu metana ngubra tongo Aya wuzene ngweneze bajenga bongo Abinga gume chinka ba nya enjo Ka enje maye kumami wa tongo Azwa kung aya soze wa cho Ngwene zara gu atamba brangra ze Finga tuwa mandaga wa cho Fako Yezangine jiga gawa Oh Wamata Ninga gazo che tu menyivri nyere Zweti yen, chen on a choso kwa vukom kuner Sa korman biya mkaze matem nur Roba wado, tieze afagara gwe kumbanga trosa Chita ba wu mka kumbaba wu Bama gwe nanjiram beng bayenda nye sote tuza Wanga bana bea omba mami baba buran bama bena nye fibe Mare, nang forme kasarami kukwa ban fibe Agunda sine burfu Kerabo manivre gwa fo nang chwena jimne Ay, chi awafa aduma Ajuju zabazu izu ubana tongne Azizi gunda burfu Kuyato, chi ni yen Bamazu gwa tumbe bo Forugumbe gara nyombunga Tuwaza to Girita geng awa yende kona Basa pena bazima Nasifa fini Agana sira che winne ngwan fa bazui Gwega mochi wit Agana sira chubzo ba chichi mbanzi Wangni ye jang ye wuzu Mbrisi Azira mambu una ngwana za basa chinge Mbankono ni kana fima za bachia Tuwana baza chwa Manipsa suisu ngana wagirita kwa Ngwen fa bi ewa wasa baranjinige Ayawa wenoka kaba siga wanjirige Tuwaza panda akaye kombambeng Amano awazuru ngari banbeng Chiga awa karangom kabani ingom Nittinga uniform chibiko Chia toothbrush akaba sapsong tanu asoba Ama sobo sofe Chimini ba benjim Nenga jakwa achiraza king Ama sonyota mengne Mama nang ma achu Sayanda kopa asama semwa Tuumanipsa tinanga Afaninga ambot Kwa abata feng nimbe finga be bor krona Anini bin aten frang na zona chok Kenya baba women a wuro banda tumba changut Manamo Bagre chuba mina borabot
Yes, and the DJ Bird, pull up that one there. That I told you it's a journaling representing.